Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today I have a quick little sneak peek of some of the items from the holiday catalog. If you need a holiday catalog from Stampin' Up, you can email me at sheilastamps@gmail.com, or you can go to SheilaStamps.net and pick on subscribe to my newsletter, and you will automatically get one. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I wanted to share with y'all what I picked up from the new Stampin' Up catalog, and if you need a new holiday catalog, please feel free to email me at sheilastamps@gmail.com, or you can add yourself to my newsletter. So long as I have your address, you will get one in the mail. And I can't show you what's inside, but I can show you the cover. And this is just a couple of things that I particularly liked. It's not everything, but this is some stuff that I was able to earn for free with my Stampin' Rewards. Okay, so this one is called Spooky Cat, and it is so cute. It's got Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, a wicked yummy treat for you, eat at your own risk, Happy Halloween, a witch hat and a cat, and an owl. These are so cool, and like some potions. My youngest daughter's birthday is on Halloween, so I definitely had to get the Spooky Cat, and she loves kitty cats. Let's see, speaking of kitty cats, we have this new cat punch. Isn't that cute? I love that. And it coordinates with this cat paper, and it is called Spooky Nights. Let me go ahead and get this open really quick. I just love the holidays. I love all holidays. Alright, so we have that. And then some witch hats. And then see, these could just be used for fall. These are cute. Could put the little owl in the tree there. And we got some jack-o'-lanterns. Here's the back of that one. Polka dots! I love polka dots. And the little potions. And that one. Alright, I love this. And then you get 2 of each paper. So 12 sheets. Alright, and let's see, we have Merry Little Labels, and this has special delivery from the North Pole. Eat, drink, and be merry, just for you, for and from, no peeking, and let it snow. And then this one also coordinates with the Everyday Label Punch. Look at that. I love that. I love punches. Y'all guys know that. This one, Labels to Love, also coordinate with that Everyday Label Punch. It has Made with Love, Merry Christmas, and Best Wishes for a New Year. Trick or Treat, and then just this decorative Love, Ho Ho Ho, Give Thanks, To and From, For You. Celebrate a wonderful year, and Happy Christmas to you and yours. And then, let's see, we have Merry Cafe, and this coordinates with the cafe bundle that we have already. So we have the little cups, and Hello Fall, it's pumpkin spice latte season, apple cider, Christmas cheer, witch's brew with scream and sugar, and a happy new year, some, excuse me, some snowflakes, love is brewing, party in a cup, merry, a cup of, and then we have spider web, some little holly leaves, perk up, a little coffee cup, and I love you and coffee. That's perfect for me. I love coffee. And the last stamp set that I ordered for my pre-order was Beachy Little Christmas. Because I do live on the coast, I'm going to be making my Christmas cards with these, so look forward to a video. Have a beachy little Christmas. Who needs snowflakes when you have seashells? And it's got a little bungalow, a little tree with some starfish and seahorses, and then these shells and a crab and a palm tree all lit up. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then check these out. Are they gorgeous? Yes, they are black rhinestones. Aren't they so pretty? I love these. And then we have mini pizza boxes. And you get 8 of these. And then I did put one together for y'all. Isn't that so cute? I'm going to be making some cards and put some 3x3 cards and putting those in there. Speaking of 3x3 cards, we now have 3x3 Whisper White envelopes. You get 40 in a pack. So these are a godsend. I did also pick up some Year of Cheer specialty washi tape. And look at how pretty these are. I got the platinum and the copper and gold. It's just gorgeous. I love it. And you will too. And then these are acetate card boxes. And I didn't put this together for you already, so let's put it together right now. It seems relatively easy. Oh yeah, no instructions necessary. Just like that. And these are good to have. I usually give my family members some cards that I make throughout the year. And then I also sell cards at local craft fairs, so you can fit the cards and the envelopes in here. And then, let's see, this is the champagne foil sheets. Let's look at these. I wish I had a drum so I could drum roll, because these are gorgeous. You're going to love them. Absolutely love them. Voila! And that's so cute. Lots of Christmas cards coming. And then this is the Memories and More Merry Little Christmas card pack. I love Memories and More. So quick to make a quick little page on your scrapbook or little card. And it coordinates with all the Stampin' Up colors, so takes all the guesswork out, which I love. Alright, so we have Dashing Through the Snow. Alright, so, ooh, that's pretty. Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time in the city. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I didn't show you the back. Oh, that's cute. Walking in a Winter Wonderland. Look at how cute these are, guys. Fa la 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 la. Isn't that gorgeous? They're so cute. And there's that lemon lime twist. Merry and bright. 24, 25. Silent Night. Let's see what's in the other small one. Alright. The first Noel. It's the best time of the year, and it honestly is. I love Christmas. Dreaming of a white Christmas. For the little ones, Christmas joy. Deck the halls. Oh, come all ye faithful and triumphant. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Then One Foggy Christmas Eve. Oh, I love that. Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Oh, what fun. And this is going to be a lot of fun, isn't it? Oh, I can't wait. It doesn't snow here on the coast, but it snowed one time. Yay, this one was already open for me. Alright, Home for the Holidays. And then we got some polka dots. Can y'all see that? Okay. Oh, these are stickers. Those are cute. Little acetate. These are too cute. I would buy this pack for the stickers alone. Okay. Oh, what fun. Some black snowflakes. Let's be jolly. Making spirits bright. These are a few of my favorite things. This is my favorite Christmas song. Making a list. Rocking around the Christmas tree. I love all these little things. Oh, Holy Night. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. I'm so excited for Christmas. I love it. And that's one of the perks of being a demonstrator, is that you get to order before anybody else does. So, also, if you would like to become a demonstrator, you can now choose from the holiday catalog for your starter kit. So remember, you get to pick whatever you would like. $125 worth of merchandise for $99 and free shipping. And I would absolutely love to have you on my team. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!